Meghalaya is one of the top 10 cleanest states in the country. The village streets and roads, dotted with bamboo bins, are the real testimony to this status. The state boasts of having Molinan, a tiny village in East Khasi, where every house has a toilet. The village earned the title of Asia's cleanest village in 2003. Meghalaya also claims to have built a large number of household toilets, following the central government's target to make India open defecation free by 2019, in line with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. But despite this, inadequate sanitation facilities and lack of awareness about proper hygiene practices in the schools continues to be a huge challenge. So nothing could be a better plot and narrative for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan than to take this message to the schools. To give an impetus to this huge initiative, Society for Action in Community Health and HDFC Bank Limited came together to implement school sanitation project for constructing new toilets in 136 schools and renovating existing ones in 4 districts: Ribhoi, East Khasi, West Khasi and Jaintia Hills in the state under Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative or CSR. The project was started in November 2015 and 124 sanitation units were handed over to the schools by December 2016.
My heartiest congratulations to both such Society for Action on Community Health and the HDFC Bank Limited. They have built more than 124. They have built and renovated more than 124 school toilets in all over Meghalaya. My heartiest congratulations to them, and I hope they keep doing such good work, not just in the school toilets, in all possible community health aspects. There is so much of investment here in terms of human capital building and the physical assets. We don't want them to go waste until unless everybody in the school, including the students and the teachers, use the facilities.
Such organization which in partnership with the HDFC as their CSR partners have developed and constructed toilets in various schools, provided water connection to these toilets and ensured that the dream of open defecation free India is achieved.
Construction of toilets in 124 schools in the state by SARCH and HDFC Bank Limited is a huge effort.
Now these schools have clean, functional and well-maintained toilet. I'm sure it would help increase the attendance, especially of girls students in these schools.
The message is loud and clear on the faces and the walls. The swanky new toilets reflect the exuberance of the teachers, students and the community.
Earlier, a large number of students would live in the open air. Now all the students are using toilets. So it is a blessing for our schools.
This is actually a both for the girls who were hesitant to use the dirty toilets earlier. For us girls, nothing could be better than this. Earlier, we would be hesitate to use the existing toilet.
The new toilets are really good. They are children friendly. Now the students are taking greater responsibility.
I feel nice to the new toilet.
We are thankful to such an HDFC Bank for bringing school sanitation project to our village. The project is of great benefits not only to the school but to the village community as well.
The design and technical specifications of each unit was strictly adhered to, keeping in view the needs of the students with special focus on aesthetics.
All our toilets are user-friendly. They are designed in a children-friendly manner. For example, this is a toilet for upper primary school. The wash basin heights and heights of other fittings are in such a manner that children can very easily reach them. For example, look at this wash basin. This wash basin is installed at exactly 50 centimeters above the floor level, so that young children can easily access it and access the tap to run the water. Similarly, the urinals of these schools for these children are at particular height. Say for example, this urinal is at 45 centimeters from the ground, so that the young children can access it very well. Even the flush walls are attached at a height where these are easily accessible to young children. In case of lower primary schools, these are slightly lower than this. Look at these ventilators. These are 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter in size and fitted with louvers. This gives adequate lighting and ventilation for the toilet unit. So even on a shady day, it is designed in such a manner that even on a shady day, the toilet will dry naturally within less than an hour. We have this septic tank here, which is made of 3 chambers. First chamber digests the fecal material. The second chamber treats the black water, and that black water goes into a third soak pit.
The implementation of the project was really a huge challenge. The topography, hilly terrains, bad roads and incessant rains were the main stumbling blocks.
This is Maofansia Government School. You can see the terrain here. We had to construct a foundation which is more than 3 meters deep. We had to erect 3 columns, and in those columns the money that has gone in, the investment is more than what we spent on the toilet. This is the challenge that we have faced not only in this school but many schools in Meghalaya. Apart from that, accessibility is a major issue in Meghalaya. Because of in-season rains and difficult terrain, we had poor road condition and could not reach material to site on time. At some places, we had to transport the material on the back of elephants.
But that was not enough. Upkeep and maintenance and the proper use of these toilets were the main constraints. For this, Such and HDFC Bank Limited launched Water, Sanitation and Hygiene, or WASH project, to inculcate the habits of safe sanitation in students, teachers and the community.
I just interacted with the students also. I've requested them, also the teachers, the headmaster, everyone to maintain and upkeep the toilet. So the two students have promised me that they'll take care of the toilet. Every day one person will clean from the student himself. We're not going to engage any special cleaner for this purpose, so that there is a sense of ownership from the students themselves.
The construction of toilet is very much important in the schools. It is one of the important infrastructures in the schools. But the problem we have been facing is that the community participations and the government bodies, But we, the VMCs of all the blocks, the block mission coordinators, we have been always cooperating with the such team, and whatever we will try to give our best.
This will give a huge boost to the sanitation strive in not only in the school but within the community also. The Such WASH team is doing a great job in the school.
As a teacher with confidence, I can say that sanitation situation through Clean School campaign has improved a lot after WASH project.
As the headman of the village, I want that the village should be clean through the cooperation of youth, both boys and girls, men, women and children, because without cleanliness, we cannot create a disease-free society.
Concerted efforts of Such to promote WASH activities have brought about positive results to a great extent. One can see drastic change in the behavior of teachers and students with regard to personal hygiene and regular monitoring of toilets.
Such has produced exclusive WASH modules for all the stakeholders, such as the student volunteers, the SSMCs and the CRPs and also the community. Well, I believe that we have achieved a great success in mobilizing all the stakeholders.
We have conducted several case studies and we found out surprising results. While in some schools, students have taken the ownership and routinely monitoring school toilets and campus. While in some others, they are engaged in beautification of toilets and doing WASH activities with well-checked out strategies.
before we are getting these awareness programs, the children does not understand. Many a time we are speaking in the classroom, but it does not help to the children how to use this toilet and all. But after we get lots of interaction with the such from time to time, and especially in awareness program, since then the children of the schools are trying to understand the importance of the sanitation and importance of the cleanliness.
Sanitation situation has improved through clean school campaigns with various activities for maintenance of the toilet. We have all cleaning materials. We are monitoring it regularly.
I can see a change in the attitude of the students towards personal hygiene and sensitivity towards clean surroundings.
We have learned a lot through orientation and other programs conducted by such.
I am a student volunteer and part of SSMC, which looking after WASH activity in the school.
Implementing SSP and WASH projects was indeed full of challenges, but the overwhelming response from teachers, students and the community has given a new meaning to hygiene and sanitation. At the end of it, what matters is a big smile and big thumbs up by the children.